Hi all, hope you liked our previous videos on the basics of demat accounts. In this particular video, we will talk about whether having a demat account is necessary to trade these days and what is the cost one has to bear to open a demat account. As per the latest norms by SEBI, it is compulsory to have a demat account for transfer of shares. Buying and selling of shares in physical form is not allowed. So if you want to buy or sell stocks, you have to have a dematerialization account, which is why most of the brokerage companies have made it mandatory to open both trading and demat accounts. Yes, it is true that opening a demat account can put you in a lot of formalities, understanding various clauses, signing documents, paying the AMC and whatnot. But we have already discussed in our previous videos that consequently there are a lot of merits of having a demat account, and now that it is mandatory to have one, no trader can skip it. So yes, a demat account makes trading comfortable, but no comfort comes for free, right? Same goes for this service as well. You will have to pay some charges to open a demat account. Now we will talk about account opening charges, annual maintenance charges and DP charges. Account opening charges. This is a one-time fee and depends from broker to broker whether you are dealing with a full service broker, discount broker or a commission-free broker. Some brokers may charge you an account opening fee while others may provide it for free as well. Some banks also open it for free if you open a 3-in-1 account, that is a trading, savings and demat account together. Maintenance charges are charged as your account has to be maintained, and so an AMC will be charged irrespective of the fact that you have securities in your account or not. This is mostly charged on annual basis. Again, the exact fee will vary from broker to broker. DP charges are charged only in case of delivery whenever you sell some shares from your demat account. It is a fee charged per scrip, irrespective of the quantity of shares you have sold. This is basically a revenue for the depositories. So every demat account holder has to pay these charges for trading. And yes, if you want to rematerialize some of your shares, then that can also be done. So now you know how important it is to have a demat account. Hope this video cleared all your doubts. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.